Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 16 Plus, and today I will show you how we can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already opened and visible on my screen. Just make sure that whatever you want to actually capture is visible right now on your screen. And once that is the case, all you would need to do is press your power button and volume volume up at the same time. Just a single click like this gives you this pop-up right here at the bottom to signify that it did capture a screenshot, and it does disappear on its own after like a couple of seconds. So once it disappears, you can find the screenshot that you've captured in your Photos application. And depending on how long ago you have captured your screenshot that you want to view right now, you might need to look probably in different locations for it. Now I will mention the screenshot itself will always be visible in the Photos tab, which obviously if you take a lot of photos, might be cumbersome to actually go through this entire list and try to locate this single screenshot. So alternatively, you do have let me quickly find it. There we go. Collections, and in collections you will find screenshots album, and in this album you will see only screenshots, which makes it much easier for you to locate this single screenshot that you might be looking for. And for me, it is right over here. So there we go. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.